Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare how to play versus AI in Rainbow Six Siege. Let's dive into the different options available to help you sharpen your skills. Playing against AI is a fantastic way to get comfortable with the game's unique mechanics and diverse operators without the pressure of competitive play. We'll explore the primary modes and their benefits. Training Grounds, previously known as Terrorist Hunt, is a core AI experience. Here, you'll face waves of AI opponents across various maps and objectives, including bomb, hostage, and elimination. It's an ideal environment to practice your shooting, learn map layouts, and experiment with different operator gadgets without the stress of real players. You can even adjust the difficulty for a greater challenge. The Versus AI playlist offers a more structured experience, mimicking a standard 5 versus 5 match. You'll join a team of real players and face off against 5 AI-controlled defenders. This mode is perfect for understanding objective play, practicing callouts, and refining your team strategies in a low-stakes environment. It bridges the gap between solo practice and competitive multiplayer. Playing against AI offers numerous benefits, especially for newcomers. It's an excellent way to learn the maps, understand operator abilities, and improve your gun skill without the pressure of live opponents. Many experienced players also use these modes to warm up or test new strategies. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.